All right, we just got the Rocket Milwaukee light. This is the Milwaukee Tower 2136. And man, this thing is a beast. Uses the 18 Milwaukee M18. This is where you put in the battery, of course. When you can actually plug it in, it will charge while you're using it. This is the actual port. Plug it into the wall. So if you're running out of battery, you can plug this up and it will charge your actual battery while you're in use. This thing's pretty awesome. It's really hefty, and I think the build is very sturdy. So 3,000 lumens for these lights, and the lights are adjustable. Look at this, man. You can adjust it any way you want, full 360. You can definitely do different heights too. So they have this rod where you can adjust the heights of it. So lower, higher. You can definitely do a lot higher. I think this can go up to, what, around 8 feet?
About 8 feet, yep.
About 8 feet. So.
And this is on low, so if you see flashing, it's because it's on low.
You can also do it high. So let's zoom in here. You see where they have the actual bar. So lower it by hitting the minus, making it more bright is hitting the plus. So
and here's a cool feature. If you turn it off, it actually remembers where you left it last. So I really like that.
It actually has the memory for you.
So it tells you it's running on battery, plugged in. Oh, here's a neat feature that I never used. It's got a USB port.
Ooh, yeah, to charge your cell phone, maybe a boombox.
Type A. This is an older product, so Type C would be nice, but I don't know what that button is. Oh, yeah. Oh, to turn it on and off. Interesting.
Oh, that's cool.
Never seen that before.
Let's see if we can close it. See how compact it is, right? So let's see if we can close this. Let's turn it off first. Oh, there we go. So should we close it like this?
Yep.
To protect the lens, right?
Yep.
Close this. That's it right there. And then they actually have a couple handle. So you can handle with this and with this, right? You can push this down. All right, so there we go. So this lever right here. So push this down. It just makes it compact right here. So then make sure to close this while you're...
So it's called a rocket light?
Yeah,
because
Rocket Tower.
Because it's a bazooka. Okay.
Oh, man,
well, that'd be chain gun. It has to go on your shoulder.
God. So you can use this as a curler.
Yep.
Okay. This is about
30?
Yeah, about 25, 30 pounds.
Okay.
30 pounds actually.
You think
pretty heavy.
You think you could curl it 30 times?
Yeah, I think I can. I can do the hammer curl.
I like that.
Right there. Over the head. Who need an exercise machine if you have a
shoulder? Yep.
Shoulder. Up right here. God, this thing is nice actually.
Let's see you hold it like a rocket launcher. Bazooka.
We're
about to get kicked out of YouTube at this rate.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm sorry. That has to be the thumbnail right there. Boom. Okay.
I feel like Jinx from League of Legends.
Iron sights.
I don't know. This is fun actually. I mean, this is great carrying. You can just carry it anywhere with you. It's pretty heavy, but I mean, it's very well built.
Adamantium.
No, please.
Aluminum, I think.
Aluminum. Very sturdy aluminum. So I guess you just press it down.
Slide it down. Yep.
There you go. And make sure it clicks. Stands up again. Make sure you unclip this. There we go. So the first clip, and then second clip. And it just takes a couple of seconds to set it up.
Oh, okay.
There we go. That's cool. Very adjustable. I mean, this thing, you just need one of these, or if you want to light up the whole room, or let's say you're having a party, or let's say you're playing soccer outside, anything you want, portable light, or you can plug it up on the go.
So you said it was Milwaukee M18...
2136 Rocket Tower. Do you remember how much you got this for?
I think it was $400. It's a little bit pricey. I think it was $400.
But I think it's worth it though.
I think it's they charge you more because you can plug it in and charge your battery while you use the light. So that feature is going to cost you.
Cool.
Team Red.
There's actually a smaller version of it too. I have the smaller version.
There's the M12, and then there's two M18s. I can't remember if this is the newer light. Yeah, I think this is the newer LED series.
Let me see if I can grab the old one.
Pause, please.
All right, so we got the big brother. Now we have the little brother. So this is the M12 version. Same concept, you know, with the clip. right here. Of course, the light. There's no clips or anything, so
It just
and
clicks
it's only
into place.
Single, yeah. It's only
So
a
you
single.
can't have it. So this is infinitely adjustable. You can have any height you want. This has to click into place here, all the way up top, or all the way in the bottom. So that's the only downside with this thing.
So this is just to show you the difference between the rocket tower and then the.
So there's another smaller rocket as well, the M18. This is the small. I believe it's the smallest M12 versus maybe the largest M18. It gives you a size difference. Big old pumpkin below. Even I can curl this one. This guy, can't even lift it. True.
Yeah. Well,
that's
a hefty battery,
big
right
battery.
there.
True.
Yeah. So let us know in the comment. Thank you if you think this information is useful. Subscribe. See you next time.
Go Team Red.